morning. Today is October 3rd, 2024, and it seems like Groundhog Day. It's literally we're at the same scenario, almost same levels as yesterday. Yesterday we were able to take the low test here, almost got to the 57.20 target, but we didn't quite get there and bounce back up. Also didn't quite get to the 57.78 on ES, the 20-day point of control. But then later on, the 20-day point of control shifted down here to 57.62. So prices, you can see value is accepting lower here on the lower side of the range, but we still have buyers in this area. So pretty much the scenario is the same. Looking for, if we break this area, then we test the 5700. If we hold, then eventually what should happen is that we should test the other side of the range, because we're keep attempting to break lower and we are not able to. So then we should see the highs of the range again. The 20-day point of control shifted here, but could easily shift back up to 57.78 again, because look at how much volume there's here versus how much volume there's here. So it's very easy for us to trade back here, trade a few contracts here, and then we shift. Now NQ was a little different, because if you see this, I said we were likely gonna go back to the 20,080, and we did hit it yesterday. Moved a little bit above it and then came back down. But NQ had an inside day yesterday, so now we have these three lows right here. We have the yesterday's low, the overnight low, and the day before, all here. So I'm thinking we might test these lows and come back to the point of control. If we hold below these lows, obviously the target becomes down here at 19,700. But this is pretty much the same scenario as ES. Tomorrow we have NFP, so historically speaking, the day before NFP is a little choppy, so keep that in mind. And then crude oil, after having the big up move, is holding in this in the area where we were accepting prices. We had the spike and then accepted prices here, and then when we sold off, we just held at the bottom of this distribution, which is pretty bullish. And now you can see that we're testing the high side of that distribution. So if we can break above this range and take these two highs and hold above them, then I'm gonna be looking for 7360, 7370. But if we get above this and then fail, then move back to 71. And same thing here, 6920 is support. I'm looking for a bounce from there back to the point of control. And gold did yesterday. I said we were gonna likely come back to that 2686, and we did exactly that, almost to the tick, and came back. It keeps you can see that this area that was support, it keeps being tested. So now I'm gonna move this a little bit, because now you can see that we tested it a few times, and now this low volume node is in the area where we just can't get through. If we do, then 2654 is the target, and holding this area probably gonna come back to the point of control and back to the 2700. Again, also we have PMI at 9:45 today. We have US ISM services PMI at 10 a.m. So we can get a little bit of a choppy morning. And then tomorrow is NFP and end of the week. All right, have a good one.